Incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider went up the spout again.
Hey, what's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. It's me. I'm glad that you're here. I just wanted to come on here and actually show you all how I do my press-ons, because everybody be like, oh my gosh, your nails are so cute. They look so good. And I just wanted to come and show you all how I do them. So starting off, you always want to like measure to see, not measure, but to actually see which nail is going to fit the best. They're all mostly numbered. I got these from Shein, but they all normally have a number at the top, and pretty much whatever your number is what it's going to be throughout each nail set. So my thumb is normally a 0 or 1, and then I toggle between a 3, a 4, sometimes a 2, and you just have to file them down correctly to match your nail bed. That is the whole point of this. Like, people have to understand, you can't just get the nails out the package and think that that's how it's gonna work. No, you got to get the filing, baby. Get that file, get your nails lined up as to what fits what, and get the filing. This is the part that makes a huge difference. I learned this a while ago. I can't remember, video wise, but this is the most important part. You have to file it according to your nail. And everybody's nail is different. Some people got more square nails. Some people got more round nails. Mine is kind of in between. And because I've been doing this for a while, I know exactly how to file it. So it's just something that you're going to have to practice. But I promise you, if you do that, your press-ons will look like real nails. Nobody will be able to tell unless like they bend or something. You know what I'm saying? So do a little bit at a time is what I recommend, because you can always take more off. So shave it or file it a little bit, and then put it on your nail, see what it look like. And you'll be able to tell, like, okay, I still got more space. I need to file some more, and get to filing some more. Like, come on, girls. It's 2023. We should not be out here putting the nails on right from the box. Unless they like the kind that's already shaped to your nail, like the small, medium, large, nail portion. These are not. These came from Shein. So if you can see kind of how I'm doing it, I'm speeding it up because I don't want to take up too much time like showing this exact process, but you can kind of see how I'm rounding off and getting a lot of that excess off, because this is a huge nail right here, and I have mostly big nails. So because in most packages they have smaller nails, I have to use all the big nails for my actual nails, so I have to file them down a lot. But you'll be able to see right here how when I file it down, it fits beautifully. Look at that. I'm sorry, like, you can't tell me nothing about me, because I know if you see that, you see how that one, like, it covers up, like, you can see it. And I'm gonna file that thing down to where it fits my actual nail bed. Like, y'all, I promise, this is it. This is what you got to do. Everything else you can do it the normal way, but this is how you get the nails to look like they actually got done at a salon. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet, and I'm gonna let y'all just listen to a little music. No copyright intended. But yeah, I just want to come in here and just show, because everybody be asking. So I hope you enjoy, and of course put any comments down if you got any questions, and I'm happy to answer them. Oh, and another thing, you're gonna need some nail glue, of course. And you're gonna need some remover, because you just want to make sure your nails are a little dehydrated. And then I also clip my nails all the way down, because for me, I don't need my actual nails to be long, because I'm about to wear some press-ons. So that's just me. Do I got anything else I need to say to y'all? I mean, happy Halloween. Like, come on now, it's Halloween. And everybody did so good on their costumes this year. I felt kind of left out because I ain't do nothing. And I probably won't do nothing. I'm going to take my baby trick-or-treating for the first time. That's where we going to leave it at. And that's just what it is. Another thing that I can see that's coming up right now is that I don't file my nails. I actually just put a top coat on and then I glue my nails on. So I know most girlies will file them to keep them on longer, but I don't do that because normally if I'm gonna wear some press-ons, I'm not trying to wear them more than a week. Like really more than a couple days, but a week at max is how long I'm trying to wear them because baby, we switch out the press-ons every week. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here I'm just gluing, and you just want to actually put the glue on the nail and then put it on your fingers. That way it doesn't create air bubbles. If you put it on your actual nail and then try to put the nail on, you're probably gonna have some air bubbles. So this is just a trick that I learned as well that kind of helps it stick longer and then also no longer have air bubbles. Like you're just gonna stick the thing. You're gonna put the nail glue on the nail and stick it on your finger. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, the main thing to it is to make sure that you are filing your actual nail to fit your nail. That's literally cut, dry, paste. So I hope that you enjoy this and let me know, like I said, if you have any questions, and happy Halloween.
Must be the ending. I've been taking on